In today's digital age, keeping your account secure is more important than ever, especially for platform power users like those of us on Steam. Whether you are worried about unauthorized access, simply curious about your login patterns, or checking up on which devices have access to your library, knowing how to verify your recent activity is a vital skill. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Steam login activity history using the most up-to-date methods available. This process is the best way to ensure that your inventory, personal data, and game library remain safe from any suspicious behavior. This method is incredibly easy and can be done right within your browser or the Steam desktop client. It provides a comprehensive list of devices, login locations, and timestamps so you can cross-reference them with your own usage. Before we dive into the step-by-step process of securing your account, if this video helps you out today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help us keep creating these helpful guides for the community. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to open Steam on your computer or go to the Steam website. For this demonstration, we are using the desktop application. Once the application is open, ensure you are fully logged in to the account you wish to audit. If you have Steam Guard enabled, have your phone ready to approve the request, as security is our top priority here. Once you are on the main interface, navigate to the top right-hand corner of the screen where you see your account name prominently displayed. This is usually located right next to your wallet balance. Click on your account name to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select the option that says Account Details. This will take you to a centralized dashboard where all your billing, contact, and security information is stored. Sometimes it takes a second to load depending on your internet connection, so just be patient while the interface gathers your personal data. Now that you are looking at your account details page, you should see a variety of tabs on the left-hand sidebar. These include things like store and purchase history, contact information, and preferences. For the purposes of checking your login activity, we are specifically looking for the section labeled Security and Devices. Click on this option to proceed. This page contains all the essential tools for keeping your Steam account locked down. You'll see options for managing Steam Guard, changing your password, and deauthorizing other computers. To see your specific login history, scroll down to the bottom of this page. You will eventually see a section titled Recent Login History. Go ahead and click the link to view this data. This page is incredibly detailed. It will show you a comprehensive list of every time your Steam account has been accessed over the last few months. Specifically, you will see the date and time of the login, the approximate geographic location based on the IP address, and most importantly, the type of device or browser that was used to gain access. Reviewing this list carefully is a great habit to get into. If you see a login from a country you've never visited or a mobile device you don't own, it's a major red flag. If you do notice something suspicious while reviewing this list, I recommend you immediately go back to the Security and Devices menu and click the button to deauthorize all other devices. This will force a logout on every machine except the one you are currently using. After that, change your password and ensure your Steam Guard is active. It is better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your gaming account. This log is the most accurate way to verify that you are the only one with access to your competitive ranks and expensive skins. Checking this monthly is a fantastic security practice that ensures your peace of mind while gaming. And that's it. You've successfully located and reviewed your Steam login activity history. By keeping an eye on this data, you are taking a proactive step in protecting your digital identity and your massive game collection. If this video helped you secure your account or gave you more insight into your Steam settings, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more technical deep dives and gaming safety tips. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there in the world of PC gaming.